Sagittarius. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having an amazing day today. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. Means a lot to me. Thank you so very much. So in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. So today we are going to do the 2022 reading for the sign of Sagittarius, Sun, Moon and Rising. So remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind. Let's see for Sagittarius, Sun, Moon and Rising how your overall energy for 2022 will be. Let's see for Sag people, so how your overall 2022 will be. So let's see. I feel like drumming for some of you. Listening to drumming will be very beneficial. When you listen to that drumming, it will put you in a trance state, and where you can have where you can get your answers. Drumming will help you. That's something I'm getting here. Whenever you're feeling anxious, whenever you're feeling fearful, listen to the drumming. It will help you a lot. Okay. So let's see what is the message for you guys, how your 2022 will be. Skywriting the fates. Wow. Finally you're connecting to your faith. finally you're going to do the things that you are fated to do. So something has been written for you guys, and finally you are you're connecting with your destiny. That's something I'm getting with the skywriting. So something has written for you, finally you are stepping into that. So what is fated for you is happening in 2022. So the things, maybe it's like you dream of these things and that is what is happening. And I'm seeing the rune symbols, and with these rune symbols, maybe for some of you are very good at rune divination or something like that. Maybe you want to learn about it, so go ahead and learn it in 2022. And if you are good at it, practice that will be very beneficial for you guys. Or maybe you get guidance using runes. So yeah, that's something I'm getting. Or maybe something is maybe runes is something that you want to learn about, so go for it. So with this skywriting the fate, so something is fated for you, and that's what is happening in 2022. And I seriously I feel like, that this is your own goal, the goal that you are trying to manifest. That is what it is. So you are finally able to manifest your goals. So this is a year where you're manifesting the biggest goal that you have in some way. That's what I'm getting here. So the things that you're aiming for, the things that you're dreaming about is written for you guys. So you don't have to worry, you will able to have it. So that's what I'm getting here. So let's see what else for you guys for 2022. Wow, look, divine guidance. It's like you're making the connection, your connection with, look, angels. So as I told you, drumming, maybe while drumming you will get a lot of messages through, while drumming you will be in this trance state where you will receive a lot of divine guidance. So you are going to be divinely guided about your path. So yeah, wow, this is so awesome, right? You're making a connection with angels. Your angels are helping you at every stage, and you're getting the guidance to take the step. So you're closer to your goals. I feel like that. This is fated for you. This is faith. Yeah, you are fated to do this, right? So this thing the goal that you have in your life, you are, and you're going to get guidance for that through your angels, through your spirit guides. You're going to be guided at every step. Wow. So yeah, look, you ask for guidance, like please divine, give me guidance for this, please angels, and you will get it easily. Like she's praying and she's getting the guidance, right? So yeah, wow. I'm seriously feeling like you're going to manifest your biggest goal. That's what I'm getting here. Manifesting your desires. Let's see what else for Sagittarius. We have Seven of Wands, we have the Emperor, and we have the Sun. Yes, look, we have the Four of Wands energy back of the deck. Oh my god, look, yeah, with the Seven of Wands, you haven't been giving up. You have been like, yes, I want to do this. I will make it happen. I'm standing my ground. I will never give up on my dream. I'm just gonna work it hard. I will just try until I succeed. And yes, you're you're getting that. That's the thing. This is one of the biggest goals of yours. You haven't given up. There might be you have gone through a lot of obstacles, gone through a lot of challenges, but maybe this is a person, that you were fighting for. Like, yes, I want to be with this person. There were a lot of challenges in this relationship, but you haven't given up. Maybe this is fated, right? This is your fate. And yeah, so it's like, yes, the things that you're believing in, you have been the things that you have been working on, you're going to get that manifested. I feel like, yeah, your dreams and goals are going to be manifested in 2022. You will be very, very happy. Very, very happy. Look at the Sun and the Emperor. You're going to be in your power. You're feeling powerful, right? You're sitting on the throne, right? You have the power now. You have maybe for some of you it's the stability that you wanted financial growth. That is what is happening for you guys. Maybe you wanted to be the CEO of this particular company. You're getting that. Maybe you're fighting for that position. Maybe I'm getting like something that you were trying to manifest for so long. Maybe it is a person that you were trying to manifest. It's happening for you guys. So finally, with the Sun card, you're feeling very clear. Your head is very clear. You're feeling very happy. The inner child is coming out. You're feeling very playful. Like, the head is very clear. There is no doubt, no confusion anymore, right? Because you're divinely guided. So the sun is shining. The happiness. You're happy. So 2022 is going to be a very happy year for you guys. I feel like, where you're manifesting your goals, manifesting the dreams that you have, the dreams that you have been fighting for. Maybe you were fighting for a cause, and finally it's moving forward. Finally you're seeing the progress, right? So yeah, that's what I'm getting here. Wow, that's nice. For some of you, this can be a person also. I don't know, maybe you were not giving up on this relationship. Finally this person is committing to you, something like that. So yeah, let's see. Oh, we have the star seed. Yeah, so you have a connection there. Like, you might be light workers. I feel like you might be light workers. You might be star seed, or I even feel like it with this star seed energy. What I'm getting is like, you are making connection with your spirit guides. Maybe there is a spirit guide who is helping you. Yeah, a new spirit guide for some of you. This year there will be a new spirit guide who will be helping you for manifesting your goals. That's what I'm getting. So the connection with your spirit guide is going to be very, very strong. You will be receiving a lot of guidance, and because of this guidance you will be able to make better decisions. So yeah, that's what I'm getting. I'm seeing success for you guys. Seriously, Sagittarius, you're manifesting your goals. You're feeling in your power. You're feeling that power from inside. You wanted this. You have been fighting for this for so long. Finally you're getting it. Finally 2022 is the year where you're getting it. Maybe it's been like for so long that you were trying. You were writing, maybe you were scripting about it, maybe you were manifesting it for so long. Finally this is happening here. Yeah, for some of you, you are understanding that you are different from other people. You have a different maybe it's like this year you are accepting yourself as well. You're accepting that you're unique, you're different from other people. The things that you want in your life is different. Like, that is also I'm getting here. You're accepting your own uniqueness and feeling happy about it. So yeah, with this sun card popping up, 2022 looks very bright for you guys. Okay, and look at the colors. We have yellow, and then the sun, right? So yeah, I'm seeing travel also for you guys. Let me take the cards. Cards are on the floor. Okay, so there's a lot. Wait. So let's see. What else? I'm seeing a travel also for you guys. If you want to travel somewhere, that is also going to happen in 2022 for sure. Travel is there. Adjudication. So maybe there was something pending, some decisions were need to be made, and you were like fighting for this cause, like a cause, some humanitarian work. Maybe someone was stuck, some papers were stuck, you were fighting for that. Finally that is going to be cleared and you will be feeling so happy. So something that you were fighting for so long, that's going to be successful. It will be in your favor. That's what I'm getting very strongly here. For some of you, it can be a house property that you were fighting for. Finally you're getting it. Yeah, maybe something that you wanted, like a house. Maybe you wanted this house. Maybe there were problems, there was issues, there were adjudication was involved, some paperwork were pending, you were trying it, it was not happening. Finally things are moving forward. Finally you're getting that will be in your favor. Wow, maybe for some of you it's like, yeah, some property, maybe some property, some inheritance that it was yours, you were not getting it. Finally you're getting it. Like, yeah, something related to that I'm getting here. So a win is for sure. I'm getting a win. Yeah, we have this right also as the back of deck energy. So maybe some documents and all, you some document problems, something that you were aiming for, you were trying hard for it, you didn't achieve it. In 2022 you're going to get it. Yeah, wedding. Okay, for some of you, we have this Four of Wands energy. I told you as the back of the deck energy, and I told you maybe you were manifesting a person, or you're fighting for this person. Maybe your family members were against it. Maybe some problems were there in your marriage. Finally things are resolving. Finally you're signing that document, like the wedding, will be signed, right? So that's also I'm getting here. Giving your relationship a chance. And then love yourself first. Yeah. So yeah, I feel like you have been standing up for this relationship. Seven of Wands. You didn't give up on this relationship. Finally things are coming together for you guys. Maybe there was opposition for you guys in this relationship, and I feel like with this love yourself first, you have learned, like, yes, you need to stand up for yourself. With the Seven of Wands energy, this is the things you want in your life. This is the person that you want, but there were so many oppositions, there were so many problems, there were people around who were not approving of that. So it's like you are not giving up because you are understanding that you matter, like this person, and you know that this person will give you the love that you deserve in some way. That's something I'm getting here. Like, yeah, so you were fighting for this person, or you were fighting for this relationship, and while fighting you understood that you need to love yourself. You cannot give love to everyone. Like, you're not here for everyone. Sometimes it's okay to love yourself and take care of yourself. Do something that you want to do. Like, yeah, sometimes maybe for some of you it's your parents who are opposing this person. They don't like this person, and now you're like, you were fighting for this person. Like sometimes you know that this is the one for me. They are like coming in between your relationship, and you understood that you cannot give that happiness to everyone, right? So maybe for some of you it's like maybe your parents will be accepting this relationship, finally that will make you happy. So yeah, if there was opposition, that is what I feel like. The things that you stood for, you stood your ground, and finally you're getting your win. That's what I'm getting here strongly for you guys. You fought for this thing. So let's see what else. Yeah, divine alchemy. Move beyond current challenges. Focus on what you desire. So with this divine alchemy, what I'm getting is like your manifestation skill. You're the alchemist. You can create whatever you want to create in your life, and that's what you're doing in 2022. I feel like that finally you're stepping up, you're believing in yourself, you're not giving up, you're standing your ground, and you're manifesting the thing that you always wanted in your life. You're coming in your power. Okay, you're not doing something that doesn't make you happy. You're going to do what makes you happy, right? So that's something. So I'm getting you're winning. 2022 is something, you are winning in something. That's the thing. Your goal is manifesting. Maybe wedding was your goal. That's happening for some of you. Maybe it can be divorce also for some of you, like getting out of this relationship. There were problems, issues with the law. Finally it's resolving. Yeah, that's what I'm getting here for some of you, because this is a general reading, so I'm just touching on that also. So let's see what else. Perseverance. Yes, I feel like you have been persevering, and finally you're getting the gift. I'm getting with this only. You may feel like you're not getting anywhere. You may feel like you're getting nowhere, but there are wonderful changes ahead. Don't give up. Definitely. You have been doing that. You have been trying hard. You haven't been giving up on this goal, this person, whatever the case may be, whatever the situation may be, and finally you're winning. Things are changing. Yeah, 2022 is the year where you're manifesting this thing. The sun is shining. Happiness, I'm getting that. You will be very happy. So let's see. What is the affirmation for you guys for the year 2022? If you want to take a screenshot, take it. Okay. So let's see. The affirmation for Sag, Sun, Moon and Rising. Let's see the affirmations for you guys. Sagittarius, Sun, Moon and Rising. Affirmation for the year 2022. Okay, wait. I am worth loving. Wow. And we have two figures here. So relationship wise, I feel like things are happening. You have waited for this person, you have waited for this relationship, you have been waiting to get married to this person. Finally all the obstacles are over. Now you are able to get together. Look how they are hugging each other. It's like that's what I'm getting, like, yeah, finally. You might have gone through a lot of obstacles. Right now also you're going through a lot of challenges, but 2022 year you will be together. Okay, or it can be in a relationship as well. For some of you have been going through a lot of difficulties because of other people, but you're good. You have learned a lot of things and you're coming back together. Okay, so that's also the case. For some of you, it can be divorce. Like you are, if this relationship is something you were like, you didn't like, it didn't give you happiness, and you were stuck with the divorce and all, something like that. That's clearing up for you guys. I am worth loving. Look, I do not have to earn love. I am lovable because I exist. Others reflect the love I have for myself. So it's like you love yourself first. So you need to. So I feel like you have been focusing on self-love, and keep on focusing on self-love. Okay, that's also important for you guys. So yeah. So let's see the charms. What the charms have to add to this. So yeah, lot of releasing, lot of crying. You have cried. There were so many days that you have cried. I feel like that, but finally your this part is over. The hardest part of your life is over. I feel like a challenge. You're overcoming a challenge. Now finally it's the time to have some party, right? So yeah, you were very indecisive. You stood, but you stood up for yourself. Yeah, now things are looking up. Like yeah, it's for some of you it's a matter of love. I feel like you have been fighting for this love. Finally you're seeing the truth. Finally the truth is revealed. Finally the mask is out. um, Finally everyone is seeing clearly. Like you're also seeing clearly, everyone around you also seeing clearly, and they are accepting you, something like that. The mask is all over, out. The confusion is out. Yeah, lot of clarity, because with the sun also everything is very clear. The sun shines, right? Everything is clear, you can see it very clearly. You're very protected. Divine guidance with this. I'm getting like third eye chakra. You see, yeah, you're clear seeing. For some of you, you have this ability of clairvoyance, so you can you get the divine guidance. So trust it, okay? Yeah, look, we have protection. Yeah, you're protected with this helmet, right? You're protected, you're safe. And then we have a Y, we have B, we have U, buy. Okay, maybe for some of you it's like you wanted to buy something. Finally you will be able to buy that. Maybe that was your love. IFTF. Yeah, you stood up that I will do it, I will buy it. Finally buying that house you wanted. Right? So yeah, maybe a big purchase you will be doing in 2022. So that's it for Sagittarius. Bye bye, take care.